Here's what my holiday garden decor looks like on the deck this year. Done the containers as usual. They come out a little different every year, and one of the changes I've made is bringing these lanterns filled with pine cones and snow from my kitchen table out here. I sprayed them with spar urethane so they can withstand the weather. The arrangements always come out a little different. This one started with the arborvitae that is growing in there live, and this one started with a large spruce branch that I cut down from our neighbor's tree. And then in the back we've got the galvanized metal containers. Here's what I've got in my deck containers already, just using what I had. Here is what I bought new for this year. I always get a couple wreaths, and one of them is going to go into this container with the barrel hoops green ball. And this is the fresh greenery that I'm going to use to fill out what I've already begun. And I got some more of these water resistant kinds of berries to use, bring color to these containers.